I've been staring at the beach for what seems like days. Guess I'll put this one off for a while. I see a tear fall from your eyes. Did you laugh so hard that you cried? When I serve my secrets on a silver tray to you. Hey, now I guess the night's just bringing me down. There's no love, there's no hate. I left them there for you to take. You know that every word was a piece of my heart. You've been in my veins. The only one who knows my middle name. In the quiet day came easy 'cause of you. Know that I love you, but I hate you, 'cause I know I could never escape you. So let the choir sing for the night on the knees of mine. Hey, now, am I acting just a little too proud? There's no love, there's no hate. I left them there for you to take. You know that every word was a piece of my heart. Have I said too much? Maybe I haven't said enough. You know that every word was a piece of my heart. Hush me, darling. Maybe I've lost my touch. Maybe I lost my guts. Where is that truth in love? Hey, now, hey, no, no, no. Know these love letters mixed with whiskey, so don't light a match when you kiss me, 'cause I'll blow away, but you know I'll be back soon. And I say, hey, now, hey, now, hey, now. Am I talking just a little too loud? There's no love, there's no hate. I left them This is a song that, who wrote this, Bob? Who wrote this?
It's a Sam and Dave song.
Oh, Sam and Dave.
That's right.
But this was recorded by Southside Johnny and the Asbury Jukes. It was on their first record called I Don't Want to Go Home in 1976, long before most of you was born. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the original Southside Johnny's Asbury Jukes, Tony Pellagrosi. I could see him standing in the shadows. Here we go, my babooch. You ready?